Remote control firefighting vehicle for hazardous environments. Track chassis climbs over obstacles with ease. Quick connection to standard firefighting hoses. For model options available: 20, 80, 100, and 200 S flow rates. Strong water output for fast fire suppression. Multi-directional firefighting nozzle movement. Precisely targets fires at different heights and positions. Long spray range for covering large fire areas. Adjustable spray modes, direct stream, and water mist. Designed for extreme fire conditions. Built with a heat-resistant structure. Operates directly under intense flames. Maintains mobility even while surrounded by fire. Remains fully functional and continues moving after fire exposure. Ensures reliable performance in critical firefighting scenarios.